Maybe we should go to another planet because Earth is kind of, strange.
Look at this guy in front of us. It's got the BMW logo, what BMW it is, everything covered in electric tape. The license plate said vehicle manufacturer, so maybe this is a new vehicle out for yeah, maybe this is a new vehicle out for a test drive and he doesn't want the competition to know what it is and what it looks like.
Okay.
Yes, you can.
I can't. I cannot. They're so good. They're so nice and warm and just like the perfect donut. Like,
look, another one.
Wow.
Must be like a new car.
Wild.
I think it's a BMW because it had a circle logo, but it was blacked out, so. No turns from shoulder.
Yep. Take a picture of this. It's funny. No.
No turns from shoulder again. I think people just don't know how to read.
Is filmed on location with the men and women of law enforcement. All suspects are innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
Kocham cię, a kochanie moje to oczy twoje, we mnie wpatrzone. Kocham cię, kochanie moje, kocham cię, a kochanie moje to tęsknota nieskończona. Kocham cię, a kochanie moje do rozstania i powrotu. I nagle dzwony dzwonią i ciało mi płonie. Kocham cię.
Dobra. Dobra, trzymaj się, love you, mom. Bye bye. Fucking groundhog.
Groundhog! He was there the other time. He was there last time.
Was it?
Yeah, he's always there.
Imagine one of these things crashing, all the shit water at the bottom tank comes out. Green light, please. I would very much like that right now.
Look at this dumbass.
Yeah.
Get really close to them and honk your horn.
Yeah, right? Look at how fucking nervous he was. He was
I think it was a she.
No, she was in the passenger seat. What a fucking...
I'm pretty sure the driver was a she.
Nasty little critter, though. You go up to them and honk in their face. Look at you.
I wouldn't have honked. I would have done exactly what you did, but stare them down the entire time.
You know, you want them out of the way, but you don't want to pressure them into potentially making them nervous to the point they cause an accident. You know what I'm saying? Especially since it's not that big of a deal. Police impersonator.
No, I did, when I saw that car pull in, I was like, why the fuck is it colored like a police car?
No, because at the end of a police car's life, they auction it off.
Oh.
So for $500, you can buy yourself a Crown Victoria that's got steel rims and a V8
I love
engine.
that they have police impersonator. And the bars, the windows, look at the fucking dog's nose. Oh my god, look at it. Look at his little nose. Stick it out. Go stick your nose back out, puppy. Puppy, puppy. Biggest fuck no I've ever seen.
That's fucking hilarious. He had a brain fart for a second. The stop sign to make a right.
Yep. Oh shit, somebody's oh my god. Oh. A child got out of the van and she leaned over and I see something coming out, like something spilling. I was like, oh shit.